Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Imagine this for a moment. You wake up early in the morning, the room is quiet, everything feels calm, but the second your feet touch the floor, a sharp pain shoots through your heel or arch, and instantly your mood drops, your energy disappears, and before your day even begins, you're already thinking about how to avoid that pain. This is something millions of people go through every single day, and the sad part is, most of them never truly fix it. They just learn to live with it. They walk less, they move carefully, they give up activities they once loved, all because of something as small as foot pain. But here's the truth that most people don't realize. Your feet are not weak by design. They become weak because of how we use them. Think about it. We spend hours sitting, we wear tight or overly cushioned shoes. We rarely stretch or strengthen our feet. And over time, the muscles that are supposed to support your body start to lose their strength and flexibility. And when that happens, your feet stop functioning the way they're supposed to. They collapse slightly, they tighten up, and eventually they start sending pain signals. Now, most people try to fix this the easy way. They buy expensive shoes, they use insoles, they apply creams, or they just rest and hope the pain goes away. But here's the problem. Those solutions don't fix the root cause. They only mask the symptoms. And that's why the pain keeps coming back again and again. So today, we're going to do something different. Instead of covering up the problem, we're going to fix it from the inside out. And the best part is you don't need any expensive equipment. You don't need a gym. You don't even need a lot of time. You just need 4 simple exercises. Yes, only 4. But don't let their simplicity fool you. These exercises are powerful because they target the exact reasons why your feet hurt in the first place. They will help you rebuild strength, improve flexibility, increase blood flow, and restore proper movement. And if you stay consistent with them, you can completely change how your feet feel. Now, before we jump into the exercises, there's something important you need to understand. Your body works as a chain. Your feet are connected to your calves, your knees, your hips, and even your lower back. So when your feet are weak or tight, it doesn't just stay in your feet. It affects your entire body. That's why some people with foot pain also experience knee pain or back discomfort. Everything is connected. So by fixing your feet, you're actually improving your whole body. Now, let's start with the first exercise. This one is all about activating the muscles in your feet. Sit down comfortably on a chair and place your foot flat on the ground. Now try to gently lift the arch of your foot without curling your toes. This is very important. Most people try to grip the floor with their toes, but that's not what we want. Instead, imagine that you're trying to shorten your foot slightly, like you're pulling the ball of your foot closer to your heel. You'll feel a slight tension in the middle of your foot. Hold that position for a few seconds. Then relax. Repeat this slowly. At first, it might feel confusing. Your foot may not respond the way you want it to. And that's completely normal because these muscles have been inactive for a long time. But as you keep practicing, your control will improve. And once these muscles wake up, they start supporting your arch properly. This reduces stress on your heel and prevents your foot from collapsing when you walk. Do this exercise slowly for about 10 to 15 repetitions on each foot. Focus on quality, not speed. Take your time and really feel the movement. Now, after activating your foot muscles, we move to the second exercise. This one focuses on flexibility because tight muscles are one of the biggest causes of foot pain. Stand up and face a wall. Place your hands on the wall for support. Step 1 foot back while keeping the other foot forward. Make sure your back heel stays flat on the ground. Now, gently lean forward. You should feel a stretch in your calf. Hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe slowly and deeply. Don't rush the stretch. Allow your muscles to relax and lengthen. Then switch sides. This stretch might seem simple, but it has a huge impact on your feet. Your calf muscles are connected to your heel through the Achilles tendon. When your calves are tight, they pull on your heel and increase pressure on the plantar fascia. This leads to pain and stiffness. So by improving flexibility in your calves, you're reducing the strain on your feet. And over time, this can significantly decrease pain. Now let's move to the third exercise. This one is incredibly effective for relieving tension and improving circulation. Take a small ball like a tennis ball or even a water bottle, place it under your foot. Now slowly roll your foot over it. Move from your heel to your toes and then side to side. When you find a tender spot, pause there for a few seconds. Apply gentle pressure. Don't press too hard. This should feel like a deep massage, not unbearable pain. This exercise helps release tight fascia, break up adhesions, and increase blood flow. And better blood flow means faster healing. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes on each foot. You'll notice that certain areas feel more sensitive than others. Those are the areas that need the most attention. Over time, these spots will become less painful and your foot will feel more relaxed. Now we come to the fourth and final exercise. This one brings everything together. Stand up straight with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto your toes. Lift your heels as high as you can. Hold for a second at the top. Then slowly lower your heels back down. Don't rush this movement. Control it from start to finish. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. This exercise strengthens your calves and your foot muscles. It also improves your balance and stability if this feels too easy. You can try doing it on one foot. If it feels too difficult, hold on to something for support. The key is to maintain control. This movement mimics how your feet work when you walk or run. So improving this will directly improve your daily movement. Now here's something very important. Doing these exercises once or twice won't give you lasting results. Consistency is everything. You need to make this a daily habit, even if it's just 10 minutes a day, because your body adapts based on what you do regularly. If you practice these exercises consistently, your feet will become stronger and more flexible, and as a result, your pain will start to decrease. You might not notice a huge difference on the first day, but within a few days, you'll start feeling less stiffness. Within a couple of weeks, the pain may reduce significantly, and over time, you'll regain your freedom of movement. Now, let's talk about something that many people ignore: your daily habits. If you continue wearing uncomfortable shoes, standing for long hours without breaks, or avoiding movement altogether, your progress will slow down. So try be mindful of how you treat your feet throughout the day. Give them time to rest, but also give them movement. Balance is key. Also, listen to your body. A little discomfort during these exercises is normal, but sharp or severe pain is not. If something feels wrong, adjust the intensity. Progress gradually. There's no need to rush. Your goal is long-term improvement, not quick fixes. And here's something that might surprise you. Your feet are incredibly adaptable. Even if you've had pain for months or years, your body still has the ability to recover. It just needs the right stimulus. And these exercises provide exactly that. They tell your body to rebuild, to strengthen, to heal. And when you give your body that signal consistently, amazing things start to happen. You move better. You feel lighter. You gain confidence in your steps. And slowly, the pain that once controlled your life starts to fade away. So take this seriously. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Apply what you've learned. Start today, because every step you take without pain is worth the effort. And remember, your feet carry you through life. They deserve your attention and care. So give them just a few minutes each day, and you'll be surprised at how much they can give back to you. Keep going, stay consistent, and trust the process. Your journey to pain-free feet starts right here.